Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Cap-au-Renard, a peaceful village perched between the sea and the mountains in Quebec's Haute Gaspésie region. As we journey along Route 132, you'll notice how this small community offers breathtaking views of the St. Lawrence River and the surrounding cliffs. The village's name, Cap-au-Renard, translates to Cape of the Fox. While the exact origin of the name remains uncertain, it's believed to be inspired by the local wildlife or perhaps a notable geographical feature. This area is characterized by its rugged coastline, dense forests, and the majestic Scenic mountains that provide a stunning backdrop to the village. One of the village's most cherished landmarks is the Notre Dame de la Mer Chapel. This quaint chapel serves as a gathering place for the community, especially during summer celebrations like Quebec's national holiday and the Harvest Festival. Nearby, the Shingle Beach offers a perfect spot for a relaxing stroll, where you can enjoy the soothing sounds of the waves and the fresh sea breeze. As we continue our drive, take a moment to appreciate the serene landscapes, the charming homes, and the sense of history that permeates this delightful village. Cap-au-Renard may be small, but its rich heritage and stunning natural beauty make it a memorable stop along the Gaspé Peninsula.
Thanks for watching!